What form of deed do you use to transfer your house to an irrevocable trust? And does it trigger a property reassessment? Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. And I'm here to answer your questions as best I can, which is what this is. Before I get to that though, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, this is one of your questions. If you guys ever have questions, by the way, just leave a comment. We will find it, we will mark it, and we will answer your question. All right. This question is sort of straightforward and not straightforward at the same time. It's a two-part question. Question number one is, how do you transfer your house or your real estate into an irrevocable trust? The answer to that question is relatively simple. Typically, it's just going to be a quit claim deed. Q-U-I-T, claim deed. Okay. Before, however, you go and do any of this stuff that I'm about to talk about, you should 100% talk to an attorney, okay? Because you really only get one crack at working with irrevocable trusts, and you can kind of mess them up. So make sure that you're working with somebody to help you out through this process to make sure you do it right. But quitclaim deed, pretty straightforward. You just transfer the house into the trust. Now, with regard to your second question, does it trigger a property reassessment? That is a very state-specific question that I cannot answer. You are probably in California because that is where this type of question usually comes from. So I do not know the specific answer to that question. I think in most cases the answer is no, but again, I am not sure. So confirm before you do anything. Okay. What I can tell you though is if you move your real estate into an irrevocable trust, there can be many benefits. One of the consequences, I guess is what you would call it, is that the house will move into the irrevocable trust with its same basis, its same tax basis. So if you bought the house for $100,000 and it's now worth $1 million and you transfer the house into your irrevocable trust, not revocable, we're talking about irrevocable, then the house will move into that trust with a $100,000 tax basis. What that means is if the trust ever sells that property in the future, it will pay income tax on the gain from a $100,000 and up. If you transfer that property after you die, it would get a step up in tax basis to today's value. So if it was $1 million, you would only pay tax on the growth over $1 million if it transferred today after you died. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. When it comes to reassessment, please talk to an attorney in your state so they can answer your question specifically. That is definitely a very, very, very state type question. All right. Hopefully this helped. If it did, great. If you have more questions, ask. And if you want to talk with us over the phone for free about estate planning or probate, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. That is it, everybody. I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you. And I'll talk to you again soon. See ya.